Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Let's start. Look, we can carry things. It's mine. Mine's left. Mine is not. Look, your man is sleeping. Oh, and my man is always active. Oh, active. Mine also active. Now you are full. Go look. Oh. Wow, very nice car. The color looks too beautiful. Very big tire. Wow. It's similar to my face car. Wow. Look, this is a beach car. Go. You don't have. I have. Oh no. Can move. Oh wow. Where is my sand? You don't have a sand. You don't. Oh look. My sand is good. Go there. This one is a big monster. I have racer. Look, this. I want speakers. Go. But this is so dirty. I go. Like you. They also can. And this is a racing car. This is also a racing car. But go. Give me proof. Fix the puzzle. It's too easy. Then look, then throw this. See? This is red. This is blue. And this is yellow. This is what is this? I am first. Oh no. Yours not this. Is have to this. You wrong. You fool. This is the guy. Fool. Wow, such a big helicopter. Whoa. Oh wow. Very big helicopter. I like helicopters. You know? Wow. What? Yeah. How are you? Another monster. I have bigger. But this is dirty. Like it. No. Oh no. I have one. You can bake me. See, I have this two small version. Look, and this is cute. No, mine is bigger. I have a monster. Give me mine. Then also, I have this car. Lights. I have two cars. Look, two. I have a very nice car. They are the best cars. This two. Wow. This is my helicopter. This is mine. Wow, that's my plane. Oh no. You haven't any plane. This is mine. I have a bus. But there is no way. There is no way. Look, man, you can also. Put it there. Oh. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
have 22 cows.
Where are you?
Hey, who are you?
Hey, what is this?
Let's get.
There is something in.
Yeah, you thief.
You bloody fool.
Give us our toys. Our toys. Help me. Give me toys. Give me my toy. Oh, you steal our toys. Give me my toys. Give me. Give me my toys.
Get out of here.
We will kill you next time. You thief.
You thief. Bloody fool.
Thank you guys for watching our video. Meet you to another video. Bye.
Bye. Have a great day.